wash the dust from my eyes. Each drop said slow down, every stone got a prize. Oh, roof hold the prayer, oh, road hold the pain, but the sky keep teaching how to rise again. When the mind get heavy, let the mountains speak. When the heart get empty, let the river reach. Rainfall over Addis heights, wash me clean, make me right. Rainfall over Addis heights, healing comes in the night. Healing comes. I've seen pride turn hollow, I've seen fear dress loud, but a quiet soul can move like a root through ground. You don't need the whole world, just one honest breath. One step in the morning, one less load on your chest. When the road look broken, still the feet can pray. When the wounds stay open, let the light make way. Rainfall over Addis heights, wash me clean, make me right. Rainfall over Addis heights, healing comes in the night. Healing fall humble. If you stand, stand kind. The sun don't chase the worry, it just keeps its time. So breathe in the mystery, breathe out the fight. Every storm got wisdom, every tear got sight. Rainfall over Addis heights, wash me clean, make me right. Rainfall over Addis heights, healing comes in the night. Healing comes. Healing comes. When the moon lean low on Zion Hill, I press my hand to the silence still. Old psalms rise from the cedar smoke, and the cracked heart mends with every note. River of mercy, wash me clean. Teach me the root of what I mean. In the dark I see it plain. Even the wound can sing a name. So I breathe in slow, let the fear slide out. There is a fire in the humble ground. There is a way through dawn. Midnight psalms of Zion carry my soul That same hard world has shaped my bones, but still I stand with a softer mind, less quick to judge, more slow to bind. Every seed must break its shell. That is the law, and it serves us well. Loss can be the gate, not the grave, if you trust the night to make you brave.